Good morning. Today is April 1st, 2023. I'm here at the Ruby Bridges Friendship Garden and taking a look at what's growing. Our tulips, there's some Japanese mustards coming up. And here are some pumpkin seedlings that we just planted. Actually, leftover pumpkins from the Halloween, Thanksgiving season, we planted the seeds. We have a lot of work to do here in this garden, but I just want to give you a little view what's going on. In our garden, here are some snapdragons that are transplants. Oh, I know what this is. This is Merlot lettuce. I'm sure there it is. All right, 3, 2. Here's some more lettuce growing. I'm not sure what type this is. Whoops. Dropped my camera. Oh, this is the mesclun mix. All right. Here are some collards growing, Tabitha dikes. Collards I can tell by the purple. I'm not sure what's growing in here. These are sweet potatoes, I believe. And our daffodils have finished blooming. So we're going to put something else in these bags. And here is our banner. Thank you, AAA, for our Ruby Bridges grant and for giving us the seed money to start our garden. Here, some more snapdragons. Oh, and our rose. I think this is an iceberg rose, so it's a white rose that's growing. These are 30-gallon grow bags. We had to use the grow bags because the maintenance department did not want us to actually plant directly in the ground. So I think this is fabulous because it gives us an opportunity to shape the garden, to make changes as the growing season progresses. But we are in a beautiful spot. Let me take a look at this. We have the most glorious environment for a school garden. It is just lovely. Now, this year we're participating in the ADAPT trials. We have 6 different things growing on. We have 6 different crops that we're participating in for the ADAPT trial. We're on spring break, but I came to just take a look. So we have our sunflowers over here, and these are wild garden sunflowers, mammoth gray stripe. I'm not sure. This is dwarf tomatoes over here. I don't see the label for these, so I'm not sure what these are. We'll have to find that label. And then over here, I'm going to check on these, so I'll have to put my camera down. We're also participating in the squash trials. Because we're on spring break, we had to put rocks and sort of protect them from the little critters here in our garden. So on Monday, the students will be back in session. Right, but I'm going to water these today. All right, let me put the camera down for a moment.